Welcome to your AI Weekly News and Impact for October 27th to November 2nd, 2025. This week, we're diving into the most significant developments shaping the future of artificial intelligence. Join us as we explore cutting-edge trends, strategic partnerships, groundbreaking applications, and evolving regulations across the global AI landscape. On October 27th, experts unveiled 5 major AI innovation trends poised to drive global adoption and reshape industries. These trends include the rise of edge AI for real-time decision-making and the development of ultra-efficient large language models. We're also seeing significant advancements in AI-powered renewable energy optimization and the emergence of next-generation robotics. And crucially, the integration of explainable AI is transforming healthcare, enhancing diagnosis and prevention. On October 29th, a significant strategic AI partnership was announced between Reliance Industries and Google, set to impact India's tech landscape. This collaboration aims to significantly strengthen India's AI infrastructure, fostering innovation and accessibility. Key initiatives include expanding cloud capabilities and developing localized language AI models to serve India's diverse linguistic landscape. October 30th saw several global tech firms rolling out advanced AI-driven solutions to revolutionize renewable energy management. These platforms introduce advanced AI systems designed to streamline renewable energy management, making processes more efficient than ever. They utilize predictive analytics for smarter grid balancing and are set to maximize clean energy output, driving sustainability. On October 31st, India celebrated significant AI IPO milestones and a thriving startup ambition, marking a new era of tech entrepreneurship. The nation is celebrating its emerging AI startup spirit, showcasing a vibrant ecosystem of innovation and entrepreneurial drive. This includes a series of successful AI-driven IPOs, signaling robust investment and the dawn of a new tech era. November 1st brought significant news from the European Union as they released an updated blueprint for AI regulation. The blueprint emphasizes safety, transparency, and streamlined certification processes for AI technologies. This comprehensive AI Act will shape standards across various industries, from smart cities to critical healthcare applications. On November 2nd, global science outlets reported groundbreaking advancements with the rapid growth of, quote, autonomous machine scientists. These AI systems are revolutionizing research by independently conducting and validating complex scientific experiments. This new era of AI-powered experimentation promises to shorten R&D cycles and fundamentally shift the academic and industrial research landscape. That wraps up our AI Weekly News and Impact. Stay tuned for more updates as artificial intelligence continues to redefine our world.